Kristen says, yes, we're going to get a little rain, but you are giving us a ray of hope, some sunshine.
Literally.
Some sunshine. If you've been missing it, it's a little early to miss it, I think, just yet. But if you've been missing it, this weekend will be a good chance to catch up on it, looks like. It's just in time for the weekend. How about that? Let's take a look at what's happening out there right now, and really not bad. We did have some heavy rain move in overnight last night, but it all started to kind of fizzle out by this morning, and then it's been very spotty ever since, and that's going to be the case as we head through the rest of the night. Upper 50s right now, very mild for us. Temperatures will drop a little lower tonight, though, mainly down into the low 50s. Some of us may touch the upper 40s. Watching for some patchy drizzle here and there. That's going to be about the extent of it. Otherwise, watching for some fog to develop for tomorrow morning, and that could inhibit some of the visibilities a little bit out there on the roads tomorrow morning, but then that will get out of here, and then it's just mainly cloud cover after that. Taking a look at the satellite and radar here, and mainly just the radar here, and you can see things are nice and clear for Portland. Still getting some showers over along the Cascades, and this is where most of the action will stay overnight tonight. Mount Hood trying to pick up a little bit of rain and some high elevation snow. The snow level has been a little bit high for us the past few days, up around 8,000 feet, so a little tough to get a lot of snow at the resorts, but if you get high enough, it does change over into that snow. The snow level does stay at 8,000 feet, though, through the rest of the night, so it's not going to drop much there. 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, cloudy skies. We're dry. Cascades, central, eastern Oregon, looking mainly dry, too. We'll try to get some sunshine, a few peaks out east of the Cascades later on tomorrow afternoon, and then as far as the showers go, we're staying mainly dry. Maybe a sprinkler or two along the Cascades. That's going to be about it for us as we head through tomorrow. A mainly dry day, just the cloud cover, a little stubborn to get out of here. As we go into Thursday, the wet weather returns, but then once we get through Thursday, we are really looking at smooth sailing conditions as far as that sunshine is concerned. So showers developing on Thursday, could be a little bit heavy at times, and then that system gets out of here. It clears very quickly. Behind the system, it is a cold front. We will see a drop in the temperatures tomorrow, and Thursday will be fairly mild. And then those temperatures drop in. With us clearing these skies out, keep in mind that temperatures at night will have the potential to get a little lower, so it could be very chilly at night this weekend. Typhoon NURI, I wanted to give you an update on this. Yesterday I was talking about it being a super typhoon. Sunday tied for the second strongest tropical cyclone of 2014. It is weakening. It's going to track just east of Japan here as we head through the next few days. It's going to weaken, but what's going to happen is eventually it is going to strengthen again, but not as a tropical system, this time as an extratropical system, and as it does, it's going to head towards the Aleutian Islands, and this system was very powerful, and it has the potential, the remnants of it, to become a very powerful low pressure system in the Pacific, perhaps the strongest ever observed in the Pacific. So this is a major game player, and it's going to perhaps bring in some hurricane-like conditions for the Aleutian Islands, but what else it's going to do? It's going to have a huge impact on the weather pattern over the country. See how these bands are going up and down, you have these waves? That's what the jet stream is going to be doing. And so that's going to mean some big temperature swings and some big weather swings. So this is how it's setting up as we head into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Big ridge out west that's going to allow much milder conditions. It's going to allow us to get some sunshine going, and it's going to allow temperatures to be above average. Meanwhile, it's back to winter for the Midwest and much of the East Coast there, so some big changes moving on in. Temperature-wise out there right now, 60 at the Dalles, 56 in Madras and Portland in the upper 50s, a little cooler tonight, and then warmer in the afternoon for the coast. We'll top out in the low to mid 60s, a few light showers here and there, mainly dry though, cloudy skies. I-5 mainly cloudy, some patchy drizzle here and there, mid 60s for highs. Central and eastern Oregon looking nice in the 60s for you with partly sunny skies. Cascades, snow level 8,000 feet. Won't see much in the way of any rain there. Portland too staying dry, and then Thursday back to the rain behind that upper 50s and low 60s. And take a look at the 7-day forecast. Only one day on there is there just certainty for any rain. The rest of it,
wow,
it's looking pretty nice, which is different for this time of the year.
Agreed.
Not too usual.
Yeah, that's pretty nice, Kristen, for this time of the year in November.
And I love how it times out over the weekend.
You're doing a good job.
Thank
That's
you.
what I like.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Coming up